What if a virus could move from wildlife to humans and then spread silently through families and healthcare settings? Ebola is one of the world's most serious viral diseases. But what exactly is Ebola? How does it spread? And is it really as contagious as people think? Ebola disease is caused by viruses in the genus Ortho-Ebola and several species can infect humans. The viruses are mainly associated with sub-Saharan Africa. Current evidence suggests fruit bats may act as natural hosts, although the exact reservoir remains an active area of research. This is where the One Health concept becomes important. Human health, animal health, and the environment are closely connected. So, can Ebola spread from animals to humans? Yes. Spillover can occur following contact with infected wildlife or their body fluids. After that, person-to-person transmission can occur through direct contact with the blood or other body fluids of an infected person, or contaminated materials. Importantly, Ebola is not an airborne infection like influenza or COVID-19. Simply being near an infected person does not mean you will become infected. What are the symptoms? Usually, illness begins suddenly with fever, fatigue, muscle pain, headache, or sore throat. Later, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal symptoms, and rash may develop. Despite the famous image of Ebola causing massive bleeding, bleeding is not present in every patient. The incubation period can range from 2 to 21 days. Diagnosis requires laboratory testing, commonly RT-PCR, because early Ebola can resemble diseases such as malaria. And here is the hopeful part. Early intensive supportive care improves survival, and specific monoclonal antibody treatments are available for Ebola virus disease caused by Ebola virus. Vaccination is also available for this specific virus. So Ebola is dangerous, but understanding One Health, transmission, early recognition, diagnosis, and prevention is how we replace fear with science.